Hi viewers, today I'll be taking you through what we call hard disks in our laptops. Okay, so in case of you have been using laptop for so many years now, you have no idea about what is keeping your files and stuff. I've earlier explained it in some of my videos before, but I don't know, I didn't have to. Now today I want to explain the category and the types we have and what it means to have that type, and then what it does. So right now over here we have what we call, at first, what was this is what we call one of the hard disks we call IDE. Okay, this is the name written here, you can see IDE. Okay, so under IDE we have what we call HDD, hard drive disk, or hard disk drive, anyhow it goes. Okay, so this is IDE. Why is it called IDE? Okay, the IDE, these are the pins. Okay, it have some kind of pins over here. Okay, so the pins here, we have a place in the laptop that we slot it for it to fix to your laptop or connect to your laptop so that it works. But first of all, this kind of hard disks, they are not they are the earlier ones, like the 90s olden types of hard disks. Okay, so they are not current hard disks that we have to nowadays. This kind of hard disks, we have some certain machines or PC or laptops, they are called like the Pentium 4 and etc. Okay, they are not, but that's the starting of hard disk, so I have to bring it into the equation so that you know where we are heading to. So this kind of hard disk, they are called the types, they are IDE hard disk. Okay, IDE hard disk or SATA hard disk. Okay, so this is the speed, kind of speed and etc. And then this is the main capacity. Okay, so they are the SATA hard disk type, which is the same time IDE. So this is the name, SATA or IDE. The IDE is, I can't see it for now, but the SATA is also known as the IDE. Okay, IDE, this one IDE, they are containing pins. Okay, they are the oldest type of hard disk we were having in our earlier machines, but nowadays we have evolved from that stage, so we are no more using them. We have evolved, okay, thanks to the evolution, like, or innovation in technology. So now we are no more using this doesn't contain much files, like 160. That's maybe sometimes the highest. Okay, so now that we have evolved from here to here. Okay, so in our next lessons we are going to be learning about this. Okay, so now that we know that this one, we are no more using it like that. This kind of laptops, they are the oldest laptops, they are not functioning. They are SP windows SP, and those earlier windows, they are no more functioning like nowadays. Okay, so now we have evolved from that side to this side and this side. Even now we are moving from this side to this side, so we need to learn more and then know more. Okay, so in our next lesson we are going to be tackling this in the next lesson 2 or part 2, then we go from here to here to part 3. Okay, so keep watching, like, subscribe, and then stay connected. You are watching No Case the Tech Guard. Okay, I get your back covered as well. I keep your tech mind sharp, update you on everyday basis or daily basis, so that things that my colleagues wouldn't teach you, I'll make sure I teach you. Okay, so see you in my next lesson. Bye.